Go whenever. All right. Hi guys, Heather here with Infinite Moments Travel. We are at Beaches Negril in Jamaica. This is a family-friendly, all-inclusive resort, and it is part of the Sandals brand family. So if you have ever stayed at a Sandals resort, they are adult only. Beaches is their family-friendly version. We are in a Grande Luxe Double Room. So we have 2 double beds. We also have a balcony. We have our television, microwave. You have your non-alcoholic beverages stocked in the bar. Down below, we have a refrigerator here. So you have all of your drinks already stocked in there for the day of arrival. You have plenty of drawer space, so you can put some clothes away if you are an unpacker. This is one of the conversations we have as agents. Do you unpack or do you not unpack? Do you live out of your suitcase? So you have the option of unpacking. You have a coffee maker here, and then you have your creamer and everything. There's also a desk, so if there's any need to do any work while you are here, you have that. Or if you just want to do some journaling and have some fun. Our balcony is here. We are having a little bit of liquid sunshine today in Jamaica, so it's a little rainy, but it'll clear up and then we'll get to go into the water. Then back this way, we have our restroom and vanity area. So we do have a closet, and I do want to point out just if you're ever at a beaches resort, you do have your bathrobes in the closet. So you've got these nice little beaches bathrobes. And then there's extra pillows in here, but one thing that sometimes people miss is you do have an umbrella. So you can take an umbrella around the resort with you if you are heading out into the resort. You also have a safe. There's a 4-digit code required to use your safe. And you also have an iron, so you don't need to bring that from home. We do have a vanity area for getting ready separate from the shower area. And then in the restroom, we do have toilet and a bathtub shower combo. So if you've got little kids, the bathtub is essential for them. So it's important to know that you have that. So again, we are at Beaches Negril, and we are in Jamaica. We do have plenty of certified sandals specialists to help you with what category room you would like if you're coming on vacation sometime soon. They can help you navigate all the different room categories and what's right for your family. Reach out to us. You can go to www.infinitemomentstravel.com, or you can just email us at info@infinitemomentstravel.com, and we can pair you with a certified sandal specialist to get you into the right room category for your family. Or you can leave those kids at home and go to a sandals resort. Thanks.